Hey, I'm Lauren Beck, an artist and educator from Allentown, Pennsylvania, and I'm also one of the illustrators that has drawn the pages in the Crayola books that you might recognize. I'm super excited to dive a little deeper and show you some techniques that I use with my Crayola adult coloring products. You'll learn some pro tips about blending, shading, and making beautiful details to get vibrant and colorful results. Alcohol markers can feel a little tricky at first, but I'm here to tell you that with a little bit of practice and having fun with experimentation can really benefit your coloring. As we go through these lessons, I want you to have a little fun and experiment with it. It's all about relaxing and enjoying the process. Some of the best discoveries happen when you're just playing and seeing what they can do. If something doesn't turn out exactly the way you planned, it's okay. Just allow it to be and move on. You're going to love experimenting with these tools. So relax, have fun, and we'll enjoy this creative journey together. Let's get started.